You know I can't help these, cause they know they can never touch these.
Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in this video let's talk about the methods. In the last video we have understood the benefit of the oops, okay, but in this video we are going to understand what is the methods and what are the methods and why do we need them now, okay. So in the previous video we have seen that we had made an example, like we had created a animal class and a person class as well, right, and we had created a lot of oops benefits like polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance. So we had seen this, the benefit of the oops, okay, and we had defined some properties as well, correct. So but if we talk about the real world, in the real world this object, or I can say these classes, have property as well, and we have some behavior, right, okay. So and we had taken example of the dog, and dog has some properties, and dog has colors, and it has some breed, and it has some name, but it has also some behavior, right. So like your dog can walk, your dog can speak, like basically your dog can bark as well. So and we have already talked about what are the properties and how we can use the properties inside the classes. We had go through all this thing, and in this video we'll be talking about the behavior, like how can we create our own methods to justify a behavior of a particular objects, okay. So हम इसको समझेंगे हम कैसे इसको कर सकते हैं. अगर मैं कहूँ कि मेरे पास एक पर्सन क्लास है, करेक्ट, मान लो मैंने एक पर्सन क्लास बनाया, क्लास पर्सन, ओके, मैंने एक पर्सन क्लास बना दिया. इसके अंदर मैंने एक स्ट्रिंग लिया नेम का, और एक और मैंने लिया इंटीजर एज, ओके. नाउ यू नो डैट हाउ टू डिफाइन द प्रॉपर्टीज, ओके. हमने प्रॉपर्टीज डिफाइन कर दिया, एक पर्सन का नेम हो सकता है और एज हो सकता है, ओके. सो दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टीज, करेक्ट. सिमिलरली अ पर्सन कैन हैव अ इंटीजर टाइप विच इज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन, एंड लेट्स से दिस पर्सन हैज I think it is okay, okay, name and age is fine, okay. So person have two properties, one is name and another is age. So let's make an object of this particular person, okay. तो यहाँ पे एक ऑब्जेक्ट हम क्रिएट करते हैं, लेट्स सपोज पर्सन इक्वल टू, हम ऑब्जेक्ट इसी तरीके से क्रिएट करते हैं, ओके, अंडरस्टूड, हमें पता है, okay. So I'll say like person, I'll say like Shalu, which is me, okay. So I'll say a new person, and now you can see that Shalu has age and Shalu has name as well, but obviously as a person I can walk, right. मैं एक इंसान हूँ, मैं चल फिर सकती हूँ, राइट. सो आई हैव बिहेवियर, ओके. मैं जो बोल रही हूँ वो एक बिहेवियर में काउंट हो जाएगा. आई कैन रिएक्ट, मैं जो रिएक्ट करूँगी वो भी एक बिहेवियर में काउंट होगा. इफ़ आई कैन ड्राइव अ कार, वो भी एक बिहेवियर में काउंट होता है, ओके. सो देयर आर मैनी थिंग्स दैट अ पर्सन कैन डू, करेक्ट. So okay, so how can we define them, all this thing, how can we define? So basically these are the defined in a form of function. Function means method, so we are understanding the function, right. And in the last video we have seen this method, okay. We had created this method. If you will see here, a lot of method we had created, like sound. So sound means like animal makes sound, this is behavior, no. And here you can see animal can bark, so this is also in behavior of the animal, okay. And this is the battery, we had also created this battery method, and here you can see this is also behavior, like electric car uses battery. So all this thing is behavior, and this behavior we can encounter as a method, we can encounter as a function, okay. So like if you are using C or C++, background, you already know what are the function, correct. So you already knew about all this, but when you are beginners, then you can understand this function well, very well. So what are the method is basically if we take this function and write them into the class. Let's suppose here you can see inside this class we have this class, and inside this class we have created a function. Okay, so if we take this function and write them into the class, then these are known as method. This is the method. Okay, तो इसको हम method बोल सकते हो. So there is the basic difference between a function and the method. So see what I can